What's up, you guys? You can take you taking what? What are these?
Just trying to see.
Okay. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Kennedy and I'm back with another video. If you are new, make sure that you click that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications. That way you can be notified every time I post a new video. And for all my old heads, of course, welcome back to the channel. I always say it like that.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
So y'all, I'm just gonna show y'all a little behind the scenes of my photo shoot. So right now we kind of like taking sample pictures to make sure that everything look good, look straight. So yeah, y'all get to just watch this and yeah. So anyway. Okay, y'all, so my sister actually just went to go like help her friends or something. So yeah, we really just trying to get some good lighting. I mean, what? I look like a angel.
I don't know. You said I look like a Christian.
I'm tired. Guys, so the photo shoot is going really well. I feel like once he edits these,
My bad.
I feel like once he edits these, they're gonna be so freaking cute. So,
oh, you straight? I'm still taking her pictures. You good? You straight in the closet?
like how? Two things I did. This and this. Period. So, yeah, we still.
Free label, that's what it is. We still free label.
Still going strong. And yeah, actually, let me FaceTime Winston. Hey Siri, FaceTime Winston Carter.
Making a FaceTime call to Winston Carter.
That's the one that's editing these pictures. Oh, what are you doing that you can't answer the phone? Now, normally, I know he lying. Are you ready? What's next? We can't. Not you just picked them all out my bed and did that. Okay, here you go. When I take a shower, all them stars go. You gonna come out in the shower.
Oh, let me put this. Oh no, he handed me this. I'm looking at them. They looking at me. We looking at each other.
Alright, y'all, so it is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be on the lookout for my pictures. They will be dropping tomorrow because tomorrow is my birthday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, please make sure that you hit that subscription button. Also turn on post notifications, that way you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye, guys.